Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as early onset Parkinson's, and it is genetic. So that's how everything got started. I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges does not mean you need to give up what you know and love. And what this girl knows and loves is makeup, and grew from there. So I am rounding out this week of gift or skip with the It Girl Volume 2 Your Life-Changing Eye and Cheek Palette. That's what the outer curtain looks like. Super cute. So you get 12 eyeshadows and a blush, the Bye Bye Pores blush. Let's see what Ulta has to say about this. It is a $38 value, or it is a $130 value. I'm sorry, $130 value for $38 available at Ulta. Let's see what they have to say about this. Celebrate being an It Girl each and every day with It Cosmetics It Girl Volume 2 Your Life-Changing Eye and Cheek Palette, a limited edition must-have eyeshadow and blush palette. Wow, that is a long sentence. Developed with plastic surgeons, It Girl Volume 2 Your Life-Changing Eye and Cheek Palette includes 12 universally flattering, long-wearing matte and radiant, naturally pretty eyeshadow shades that help you create endless eye looks, plus a one-of-a-kind ombre Bye Bye Pores blush, poreless finish airbrush brightening blush that blurs the look of your pores and defines your cheeks with a youthful flush of color that lasts. All right, so this is not like the other ones that I did this week. Like, I haven't used it a bunch of times. Tonight's the first time I'm using it, so we're going to try this out and play with it together. I'm going to take this out and we'll take a look at what the palette looks like. It is super cute. It has got glitter in the front, kind of traveling there. Oh, pink glitter. Very cute, mirrored. And let's open this up. Oh, that is nice. All right, so we have the blush in the middle, and we have the shimmer shades on one side and the matte shades on the other. Very cute. Let's take a look here. Shall we start with the blush? Let's start with the blush. I am just going to mix it all together. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of white, so if you have a darker skin tone, I'm not sure how this would look. I don't know. Might look alright. We'll see how buildable it is. Okay. Shall we do the shimmer shadows? Let's do the shimmers. I am going to start this row and then the second row. So hopefully my eyes will cooperate. They got irritated. I tried a new eye makeup remover and oh, my eyes were not happy. Oh, those are nice. And can I just tell you, they are so super soft. I've never tried any It Cosmetics eyeshadows before. So I'm going in that second row of these shimmers. These are very soft. Plush. I would definitely say plush. Alright, there are these shimmer shades. Very pretty. I like them so far. Let's see how they work on the eye before I give my total opinion. Okay, let's go into the matte shades. Let me make sure I dry this off. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go into the matte shades, and I'm going to start with the middle row and then go to the outside row. Ooh, these are very soft and buttery too. I like that navy blue. I like that navy blue a lot. That looks like a great transition color. Oh, wrong finger. There we go. And navy blue wasn't a great lined up swatch, but you know, that's okay. This is life. It's real life. Like I said in the beginning, I don't want to edit because it's real life. Okay, let's go in with the outside ones. There we go. And the black. I have got to say, these are very soft, buttery. So far, they just seem really nice. We may have a winner. I was going to use my It CC cream for my foundation, and I completely forgot. So my foundation is not It Cosmetics. It's actually the Dior Backstage, but you know what? That's okay. I will go in with my It brush, It Cosmetics for Ulta brush. This is a little more densely packed. It looks so light that I picked up a little more densely packed brush. And I'm just going to swirl it all together. I did already put some bronzer on, just a little tiny bit. Oh, wow. It's got shimmer. I'm going to go more towards the bottom now. I think I got a little too much of the shimmer. Oh my gosh, I think I really like this. Stir it all together again. I think I really like this. Wow. It's just, yeah, I could see where this would be universally flattering. That is very pretty. If you have a deeper skin tone, you know, go mix more of the bottom in. Oh my gosh. Okay, color me happy. I like it. I am going to go in with just a little tiny bit at the very top, the more highlighted one. I just got a little tiny bit of powder there. Let's see if it works as, okay, I don't want to end up like Rudolph. It doesn't seem to work on its own as a highlighter, so we're just gonna skip that. All right, let's do the eyes. I am priming with the, I'm not sure if this is still out anymore, the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. This came out in when all the, you know, white packages came out. The, I think it was spring or summer. I think it was summer. But that is the eye primer I am using today. Let's put that on. I'm going to give these a good shot. Tonight, I am going to dinner to celebrate someone special to me's 25th birthday. She turned 25 last week, so this is the first chance we've gotten to get together. Okay, I am not going to set the lid, but I am going to set the rest, like the lid up, with the Pearls, which is the matte lightest shade there. I'm going to set my just above the crease with that, because this, oh wow, okay, that's very nice. That's pigmented. This eyeshadow base can be very sticky, but it will keep your stuff on. So it is the Marc Jacobs eyeshadow primer. Okay, wow. Even this light shade is pigmented. I'm going to go in with this light, I guess you'd call it taupe. I'm going to go in with this light taupe and kind of use it as my starter transition color. The eyeshadows, the containers are not very large, I'll tell you that. They're not very large at all, but I'm okay with that because I use so many different eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes that I rarely go through one where I hit pan on everything, so I have no problem with that. Especially for $38. That seems to be a pretty color, but it's not as dark as I thought it would be. I probably could have set my lid with this one, so we'll go in with a different one. I'm going to go into the little darker, the more warm tone, medium matte shade here. I like that they have both cool and warm tones in this. That's very nice. There we go. Okay, so far I think they're blendable. Yeah, I'm using lighter shades right now, so I can't really say how pigmented they are yet. But so far I like them. Decisions. I am going to go in with Chic, which is this kind of red, coppery, bronzy color. And I am going to, I know everybody's like, oh my gosh, don't use shimmers in your crease. You know what? There are no rules. I'm using a shimmer in my crease. I don't know who came up with that rule that you can't use a shimmer in your crease. Breaking the rules. That is very pretty. These do blend very nicely. I like it. Okay, with the shimmer I do have a little bit of kick up, but it's not bad. It's not like, you know, oh my gosh. Kick up. I wish it was just a little more pigmented, but you know what, that's okay. Alright, I am going to take some of the gold, shimmery gold, and I am going to put it a little bit higher than that shimmery bronze. Kind of blend it. I would say that these are more natural. Maybe that's why they call it naturally pretty eyeshadows. I would say they're not like super duper pigmented at all. They do have a more natural like sheen to them. You know what? I'm cool with that. I'm fine with it. I'm going to take a little bit of the Clink, I guess for champagne color there, and I'm just going to put that a little bit under my arch. Just, oh wow, yeah, that went on real well. That is, yeah, wow, okay. I think I'm going to reapply some of that gold up towards the top. Blend it. Definitely blend that together. Woo-wee. Alright, let's go with a lid shade. What do I want to do? I'm going to go in with Festive, which is this really pretty kind of purple. I'm going to go in with Festive here, and I'm just using a dry brush. Although, oh wow, okay, that kind of crumbled. That crumbled. Hopefully it doesn't give me a lot of fallout on my cheek. don't see a lot of fallout though. And this is so far the only one that I really had an issue with. I've got chunks of shimmery purple eyeshadow on my desk here. Desk, it's a table that I got. I'll have to show you guys one day, you know, show you my real desk and real vanity. But it is not, definitely not the standard, you know, YouTube creator setup. I'm going to go in with Cheers, which is this shimmery brown, and just kind of see if I can darken this up in the outside corner and just bring that just a little bit into the crease. Yeah, that works. Okay, so far everything I went into, the purple is the only thing that I actually had any issue with. Yeah, it was fine. All except for that one, and that crumbled on me. That doesn't mean it will necessarily crumble on you. It's a little tiny bit of fallout. Okay, I am going to take a pencil brush and go back into Clink, which is that bright champagne, shimmery champagne. Put that right here. And I'm going to take the shimmery purple that I had a problem with, but oh well, and put that under my eyes. That's very pretty color. Alright guys, I am going to do my liner and mascara, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back. I just put on a little liquid black eyeliner on the top and the Maybelline Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara on my lashes. This is the finished look. It is, okay, the cons, it's not really pigmented. The purple shade broke, you know, kind of shattered on me a little bit. But overall, like, that's all the bad I've got to say about this. I think that it is a solid palette. If somebody, you know, likes more neutrals, it's great. This is a great, like, everyday work palette. I really like it. Honestly, I really do. I'm going to play with it some more, and I will get back to you guys. But I really like this blush a lot. So, $38 at Ulta. I say gift it, or gift yourself with it. Nothing wrong with that. So that will do it for today. That will actually do it for this week. I will see you guys next week with my new camera. Hopefully, I don't want to like jinx myself and have a problem with it. Hopefully I will see you with my new and better camera next week. Alright guys, I'll talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.